everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing on Minecraft, but I am trying to rebuild Peach's castle as well in Minecraft, and also I'm just going to be talking about random stuff as well as the game, and we're going to do our shout out now, and it is for Thomas Murta. He is a really good friend for me, and also he is a really loving fan. He was one of my first subscribers, and yeah, I'm just really good friends with him, so thanks so much, Thomas. It means a lot to me. So I am rebuilding Peach's castle in Super Mario 64, as I said. Sorry about that, I've got a really bad cold. Yeah, so Super Mario 64 was released in the basically early 1990s, so around the same time as Sonic, basically. Oh no, I got it. So yeah, basically around the same time as Sonic, like in the early 1990s. And it was the first 3D game, I should say the first 3D Mario game, and a lot of others have followed that role. Here are a few examples: Super Mario Galaxy, Super Mario Galaxy 2, Mario Kart, that used to be a 2D game, and also Super Mario 3D World. So yeah, and also I got this idea, from playing the game. I've got it on my Wii U, which is currently off. I was thinking the paint was there. So it's always this that I can't get. In the middle? No. I can never get the right painting on this. There we go. That's Cool Cool Mountain, even though it's the opposite to cool. It's fire. Wow, it's actually fire. Still, that is that room done. Finally. Oh, I've been working on that for about 2 hours now. Trying to get all the dimensions right, like all of that. And now I've got to repeat that exact same process in a tighter space. Yay, this is gonna be fun. Not. So yeah, I'm just gonna give a shout out to another person, even though they didn't ask to be shouted out. Oh, my YouTube has stopped. Don't worry, guys. If you actually saw that come up, I am terribly sorry, and I am sorry if my screen is getting blurred. I'll move it forward. Oh no, that's just made it worse. I'll move it back. Okay, that's a little better. Okay, we'll keep it like that. I'm so sorry about this, guys. This is pretty much the worst malfunction I've ever had with videos. And now we build down. Oh, wrong. And guys, this is just going to be a short video. I'm not actually going to do some really important stuff. I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about Super Mario. Is that too much to ask for? And take all of that away. Boom. So guys, I'm so sorry about this. I've just got a really terrible cold, and it's really annoying, as you might suspect. And anyway, I'm just going to end the video now. This was just a short video. I didn't really want to make it a long video.